And this morning I woke up and I thought, pancakes. I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients that are in this recipe. First thing you have to do for this recipe is you're gonna make a vegan buttermilk base for the pancake. So this actually helps the pancake to be more fluffy and much more like an actual pancake rather than like most vegan recipes are. They either taste very, very much like banana because a lot of people use banana as a base for their pancake, or they're like runny, not very, you know, fluffy. So I like this recipe because it's supposed to basically represent a real pancake. For the buttermilk base, they say to use like a, you know, soy milk, or, you know, even cashew milk might be better. And I actually have cashew milk here, organic cashew milk, but I just went with almond milk. And I'm hoping that the almond milk will just still do me good. Organic, unsweetened almond milk. And then the other ingredient for the buttermilk base is apple cider vinegar. To grease the pan before we lay our pancakes down, we're going to be using Earth Balance organic butter spread. So good, like it literally tastes like butter. You would never know the difference. First thing we're going to do is make the vegan buttermilk mixture. So that is going to be 1 cup of almond milk, that's what I chose to go with, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix it a little bit. It's like all frothy, which is, you know, encouraging. I think that this will be good. Now we're gonna do our dry ingredients. So it's gonna be 1 cup of all-purpose flour, except we're gonna do gluten-free flour. This is my gluten-free all-purpose baking flour. This is by Bob's Red Mill. So good. It's good. It's better for you. Highly, 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 highly suggest. Okay, 1 cup of the gluten-free all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon of our aluminum-free baking powder. We're adding in organic, unrefined, virgin coconut oil. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Organic vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon. Now, when you are making the buttermilk base, the vegan buttermilk base, you want to make sure that your ingredients are like room temperature. Now we're gonna mix these ingredients. I have my little whisk. Now we're gonna cook our pancake. Turn our burner on, like medium heat. We're gonna take our Earth Balance butter. We're gonna put this in our pan. While the butter melts down, I'm gonna tell you guys that you're gonna use 1/3 cup to scoop your pancake mixture into your pan. 1/3 cup. Now we're going to scoop our batter. Can you see the smoke? No, I guess not. Anywho. The longer that you let your buttermilk mixture sit, the frothier and thicker that it will become. Yum, this one looks like a real pancake. Yes. You guys wanna see it? We're gonna do one more pancake. All right, this is our last one. How hashtag real pancake does this look? It's crunchy. This is so delicious. And like you could just like throw a little banana in there and make it like a pancake. Look, I'm shaking because I haven't eaten all day. Oh my gosh, so yum. That's it for this video. I hope that I inspired you guys a little bit. Maybe try something different. That's it. Tune in next time, like and subscribe. I'll be back with some more fun plant-based recipes. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace out.